All right, everyone. So this is how we're going to make a spare key for my WRX GT. Give me 1 second here. Let me make the lights a little brighter. All right, so this is a key fob that obviously does nothing, as you can see. And then this is a key fob that obviously is doing nothing because I'm inside the key. If I was outside, well, whatever. Anyways, so with my IM1, we're going to go to iMob. Let me exit out of this. So I came in, found my vehicle. So it's going to be a Subaru. Or my manufacturer, sorry. All right, and so I would suggest just doing a manual selection on this one. So we're going to do manual selection. All right, and we're going to do America because that's where I'm located and my car is. And here is the WRX right there. 2022. And then we're going to do smart key. Then we're going to do yes. All right, and what we should be able to want to do is control unit, keyless system. This is where you also go and program the remote control learning. So we got remote control learning, remote start. Add a key. The ignition is on. We're going to hit OK. So we're going to take a learned key. I'm pretty sure that's what it's going to tell me to do. Oh, sorry. Never mind. We're going to add a key. So we're going to hit start. Close all the doors. They're done. Doing a little security thing. Put the learned key against the ignition, which is this one. Okay. Now place the key close. Start key learning. Key 3's been set. We're going to hit OK. Turn off the ignition. So that actually just remote started my car. Hold on 1 second. All right, so I pressed and held it and it stopped. So this is a $37 key I bought off of Amazon, and it's now programmed. Look at that. It wasn't working earlier. That was the quickest thing I've ever done. That was super simple and quick. Now you know how to do it. You're just gonna have to buy one of these guys, and I got this luckily for $619 plus taxes. Now it's gonna cost you probably well over almost to $1,000 if you get it not on sale right now during the holidays. So wait and get it on sale. Worth every penny. So, with that being said, that's how you add a key to your Subaru. With that being said, this is awesome as shit. I'm sorry. Yeah, so with that being said, thank you for watching this. Like, subscribe. Hope this has been helpful to you.